Hello guys, AlexTheGrumpyOne here, and this is another video of the full service. So this is the part on the pollen filter. So we're going to replace the pollen filter. I got the part number, and also obviously, as you can see, it's the main filter, the filters that I've used so far on the full service. Really good filters. I'm going to put all the links in the description below, and same as this antibacterial treatment for the aircon system after we replace the pollen filter. I do recommend doing it as it kills the rest of the bacteria they might have in the car, and also gives it a nice fresh smell as well. So to do this, the pollen filter is located behind the glove box. It's just under there. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a nice and easy job. So like I said, the pollen filter is located under there. You got a little cover that you have to remove and little 2 screws, and they will slide off and you'll see where the pollen filter is. The reason to the pollen filters and when you do it, so I do the pollen filter every service, every year on the car, and the reason for that is obviously you would like a clean, fresh air inside the car, and this is where all of the air that comes into your vehicle will be circulating through, and it does get a lot of rubbish on there, and you want to make sure that it's nice and clean and hasn't got any bacteria in it. And also it will keep your plants nice and healthy inside your car. As you can see, this one is still doing really well. So like I said, there's a couple of plastic screws that you got on the side there. Just unscrew them by your hand. Another one there, and all you do is pull this cover off of there, that comes out, and the pollen filter is right behind this cover. They have to slide off to the left. There you go, that slides off, and we're probably going to see a lot of rubbish falling out of there. So as you can see, that's what holds it on there. So to put it back on, push it in and slide to the right. And there's the dirty pollen filter. As you can see, it's not going to look like the new one that we got there. So if you look, that's the old pollen filter. As you can see, it's full of rubbish in there. Usually it's mainly one side because that's where the air comes in. If you look at the new one, like I said, there you go, there's part number again. And the good thing with the main filters, they usually come with the instructions as well, so in case you don't know where the filter is, it explains you where it is and how to do it as well. That's pretty cool. I think they've done well with this. So as you can see, there's quite a big difference there. This is nice clean filter, pollen filter, and there you go, that's the old one. So make sure you dispose of it properly, and let's fit the new one in there. Right, so to get the new one back in there, just slide it in first. Make sure it's nice and even in there, and then push that on and slide it to the right. That's locked in now. Job done. So all we have to do is put this cover back on. It's a little bit annoying because you have to get it aligned with all the stuff here, and align obviously the screws they have to put back in there. Right, so to finish the job, all we have to do is now set up the antibacterial treatment for 10 minutes. And this is not a must do. I only do it because I like to clean the air after I replace the pollen filter. So all you do is you just start up the car. You select the recirculation option there. Put on the fan on max. And just put it to circulate everywhere. The aircon is on, as you can see. So just give it a shake, take the cover off, push the seat back, and just put it on the floor. Make sure obviously the air is coming out everywhere. Put it on the floor and set it off. As you can see, if you press it and hold it for a little bit, it'll come out. But what we need is to press it and hold it down so it clips in. Make sure the windows are all shut, and set it off. Shut the car, shut the windows, and let it run there for 10 minutes. So that's another quick job done. Like I said, set off the air treatment and leave it there for 10 minutes with the car running, aircon on, and recirculating the air inside the car. And that should do it. And then, like I said, you're going to have nice, clean air car. Make sure your plant is growing well there as well. and you're going to smell nice in the same time. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you did, comment below, like the video and subscribe. See you later. Bye.